Lacey, thank you. The Oklahoma Supreme Court deals Oklahoma County District Attorney David Prater a setback.
The High Court ruled on his request to force the recusal of 2 members of the Pardon and Parole Board. News 9's Colby Thielen is in the newsroom following the latest details. Colby?
Hey, good morning. The motion from the DA came ahead of Julius Jones's clemency hearing. It's going to be a week from today. See, he argued the 2 members on that board could not remain impartial in the case. The state Supreme Court denied that request. Jones is on death row for killing Edmund father Paul Howell back in 1999. A large group of activists, including celebrities, came to Jones's defense, questioning the experience of his original defense team and citing testimony from an Arkansas inmate who claimed a man that he shared a cell with actually admitted to the crime. Jones maintains his innocence, and he'll be given the opportunity to speak next week.
We're looking forward to a fair opportunity for Julius for the first time, for him to be able to tell his own story in the public, which I think he deserves that.
Prater also called on the High Court to force those 2 Pardon and Parole Board members, Kelly Doyle and Adam Luck, to recuse themselves before a hearing last month on Jones's commutation request. The DA arguing the 2 made public statements that make them impartial. That request also was denied. Now, the board eventually recommended Jones's commutation to the governor. Paul Howell's sister testified at that hearing. She was an eyewitness to the shooting back in 1999. She believes it was Jones that she saw that night. She also believes that he's not eligible for commutation in the first place. Lisa Monahan has her story. You can see that full interview. It's going to be tomorrow night at 10 o'clock right here on News 9. Now, while the board recommended commutation for Jones, the governor decided to wait for the clemency hearing to give the final word on execution. A clemency hearing is required by state law before a death sentence can be carried out. His execution date is set for November 18th. Live in the newsroom, Colby Thielen, Oklahoma Zone, News 9.